Find the odd emoji out. Here it is. Question number 14. This time you have to find out the odd mango. Here it is. Question number 13. Find the odd strawberry. Question number 12. We are going backwards. You have to find out the odd lemon. This one has only one leaf. Number 11. Find the odd watermelon. This one has a dim color. Now you have to find out this kiwi fruit which is different from the others. Last row in the center. Question number 9. Find the odd fruit out. Right there in the center. Question number 8. Find the odd emoji out. There it is. Number 7. Find the different fruit. This one is different. Can you identify which one is different from the others? This one has a line in the center. Find the odd fruit out. This one is different in color. This one should be easy. Find the different one. Third from the right on the top. Question number 3. We are going backwards, remember. Find the odd banana out. This time again in the top row. Question number 2. We are left with just one more. Stay with us. Find the different one. This one was flipped. And here is your last question. Find the odd one out. There it is.